Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over the different tasks that we complete in Successful Solution Method in order to earn commission. So stay tuned for that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Pouncey. I'm an online offline affiliate marketer. I have been doing affiliate marketing almost 3 years now, and I got into affiliate marketing because about 3 years ago I was laid off from my job, and around that same time I got pregnant. So I wanted to find some online opportunities in which I can earn some additional income from home. About 2 months ago, I joined an opportunity called Successful Solution Method, in which I'm earning commissions simply by completing daily tasks. And in this video, I'm going to go over the tasks that I complete in order to earn commissions. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Just give me 1 second. So guys, when you join Successful Solution Method, you're going to have access to your very own back office. And once you sign up, this is the page that you should see once you log into your back office. You're going to see a quick start video, which you can watch once you log into your back office. And here are all of the different packages for a Successful Solution Method. What you want to do is when you first log on to your back office, you want to click this button here. So we're going to go ahead and start here. And also, all of these buttons are green because I have access to all of these levels up until the platinum package. This button is gray because I do not have access to the diamond package. Okay, so again, once you log into your back office, you're going to click this Start Here button. Okay, and so the first thing that you want to do is join the Facebook group. Okay, that's very important. In that Facebook group, you will see all of the income proof. You will see everyone congratulating one another. We inspire one another. We help one another out. So that Facebook group is very important. So that's the first thing that you want to do. The second thing you want to do is register as an affiliate so that you're able to receive your commissions. And so once you click register now, you're going to go through a few steps in order to register as an affiliate. Okay, step 3, this is where the tasks come in at. This is how you earn your commissions and increase your commissions. So I'm going to click here so that you can see the different tasks that we complete in order to earn commissions. Okay, so as you can see, you can earn up to 50% commission. You can earn up to 50% commission if you complete your income producing activities. If you do not complete your income producing activities, you can only earn 30%. So which would you rather have, 30% or 50%? Me, 50% sounds a whole lot better than 30%, guys. So you would want to complete your income producing activities. Okay, so right here, you'll see a welcome video for a Successful Solution Method. So you can go ahead and view that video once you get started. Okay, so one of the tasks is engaging in the Facebook group. Again, here's the join the Facebook community button. So in order to join the group, just go ahead and click this button, and you should be engaging in the Facebook group for about 15 minutes a day. Okay, so that's one of the income producing activities. And you should also be engaging on your personal Facebook page. Okay, so the second task that we have is payment proof. And here's another video in regards to the payment proof task. what you would need to do is once you receive your commission, you're going to have to email admin@successfulsolutionmethod.com. You're going to have to email them your proof with a little testimonial message. You can either send in a short video, or you can just write out a short testimonial. Okay. The second place where you would need to post your income proof is in the Facebook group. Okay, so that's so that everyone can see that you've earned a commission, and so everyone can congratulate you on that commission, guys. The third place you would want to place your income proof is in your Facebook storyline, so that all of your friends can see your successful solution method. As you know, that will stay up on your storyline for about 24 hours, guys. So that would be the second task. Okay. The third task, which would be attending the trainings, their weekly trainings. And here's another video in regards to the trainings. You would need to attend the weekly trainings, and if you're not able to attend, there's always the replay that is posted within 24 to 48 hours in your back office if you're not able to attend the trainings that day. Okay, and you can click this button here to register for all of the live trainings so that you can receive emails to let you know when the next training will be and at what time. So it's very important for you to register for all of the training so that you won't miss a training, guys. Okay. The next task that we would have to complete is to attend the weekly webinars. And here's another video in regards to the webinar. The webinars are held every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. You would need to set aside 45 minutes to an hour every Wednesday night to attend the weekly webinar. And if you're not able to attend, you can ask someone to sit in on the webinar for you so that you can get credit for that webinar for that week. Also, again, if you are not able to attend, or if you miss the webinar, the replay will be posted in your back office within 24 to 48 hours, guys. And here is the button for you to register for the weekly webinars. And the last task would be to purchase a traffic package. And here is another video regarding the traffic packages. There are 3 different traffic packages that you can select from. And here's the button where you can check those traffic packages out. Of course, if you don't have any traffic coming to your business, if you don't have any eyeballs on your offer, then you don't have a business, guys. Traffic is the blood of your business. So you need to make sure that you purchase your traffic package so that you can earn your commissions faster. If you're relying solely on organic traffic, then your commissions are not going to come in as fast because you have to kind of warm up organic traffic. So purchasing a traffic package is very important so that you can get eyeballs to your offer and prospects to your business. And again, you can just click this button here to check out the different traffic packages. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go over the tasks one more time. So task number 1 would be to engage in the Facebook group and to also engage on your personal Facebook page. The second task would be to post your payment proof. So that means sending your payment proof to admin@successfulsolutionmethod.com, posting it on your Facebook storyline, and also posting it in the Facebook group. The third task would be to attend the weekly trainings, which are very important if you want to be successful in Successful Solution Method. The next task would be attending the weekly webinars every Wednesday night, in which you would just need to set aside 45 minutes to an hour for this particular task. And the last task would be to purchase your traffic package, guys. So these are all of the tasks that we complete in order to earn commissions. Simple, right? That's it. That's all you need to do. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So that's how you can increase your commissions, and that's all of the tasks that we complete. Okay, I already went over claiming a traffic package. Step 5 would be to meet a success coach. So you would just click this button here to schedule a meeting with your success coach, which is also important because that success coach will help you if you have any questions in regards to successful solution method, and they can also get you on the right track so that you can be successful in this program. Also join our Telegram group. You can get more information in our Telegram group. Also, you can just click this button here to join now. And if you need to download the Telegram app, this is the button for Android, and this is the button if you have an iPhone. So you can just click either one of those buttons to download the Telegram app. And if you want to upgrade your level, you can just click this upgrade now button. So if you're in the bronze level and you want to upgrade to the silver level, then you would only have to pay the difference, and that's within the first 30 days of you joining the program. So it's best to upgrade within your first 30 days so that you only have to pay the difference. Okay, guys? So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.